Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how to play the secret game located on your Android phone. Google has a secret game hidden in the latest version of Android software. The Android 10 update landed on some smartphones and is hiding a nonogram puzzle deep in the settings. The game is called a nonogram, which is a pretty tricky grid-based puzzle game. Google has some secret fun with at least 7 hidden games you can play when you need a break from life. These games are free and can be a great way to escape from stress. You may even learn as you play. Some of these games bring back memories of classic arcade games. One game tests your knowledge of the world. Another game helps you learn how to fly a plane. An infographic shows you what the games are, how to find them, and how addictive they are. Flight Simulator is a hidden game in Google Earth that lets you fly a virtual jet across the sky. Go to Google Earth and download the Google Earth software to your computer to become a virtual pilot. Click on Tools, then enter Flight Simulator to begin playing the game. Choose the kind of airplane you want to fly. Then, decide on a departure airport. Maybe you would enjoy a takeoff from the Kathmandu airport. You could cyber soar above the Himalaya mountains. Users can operate the plane with the keyboard or a joystick. Follow the Flight Simulator guidelines to learn how to do it. Search through your phone for the Settings app. Once you've found it, then press on it. Go where it's written My Phone and press on it. Locate where it's written Android version and press on it. You will have to press on it many times in order to unlock the game. One thing to remember is that depending on the type of Android version and phone you have, it will display the game of your Android version. It might not be even a game. It might be like a puzzle or any other thing. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.